How do I take care of my hair as an eco-friendly person? I don't really do much, but this is my simple, minimal hair care routine. Honestly, I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair, but this is what I do to keep it healthy. Wash your hair less. Try stretching the number of days between the times you wash your hair. Washing your hair less also saves water and energy and time, but it's also very good for your hair too. Washing your hair too much can make it dry and brittle. I typically tend to wash my hair about 1 or 2 times a week. This is day 5 old greasy hair. What I'm doing is I'm massaging the scalp, loosening up the oil, and distributing it all across the length of my hair.
Your natural oils will help protect your hair. On greasy days, I'll usually tie up my hair, wear a headband, or wear a hat. On days I have to go out but don't want to wash my hair, I use this DIY dry shampoo. Arrowroot powder absorbs oil and is a great alternative to store-bought dry shampoos because it's free of artificial fragrances, alcohol, and talc. It's really easy to make. Just mix arrowroot powder, and cocoa powder is for pigment, so just add it according to your hair color. I use the shampoo and conditioner bar to wash my hair. I love them because they're tiny. Look at the size. Shampoo bars are usually packaged in a box. Each bar replaces 2 to 3 bottles of shampoo, and my conditioner bar has lasted me over a year. This travel box is from Be Kind. You can pull off the top, and that acts as a soap saver dish, so you can place your soap on to the dish when you arrive at your location, and then you just put everything in your box when you're ready to go home. Garnier sent me their tin that fits their shampoo bar exactly. As you can see, shampoo and conditioner bars are so small and they're very easy to travel with. I don't have to worry about buying plastic bottles of shampoo. These things are really light, lowering my carbon footprint because they're a lot less heavy to transport. Let's go wash my hair. To dry my hair, I don't use a dryer. I use this hair wrap. It absorbs water. Then I let it dry naturally. This prevents my hair from over drying and breaking, and also it uses no electricity. I love this 2-tier brush from Tangle Teezer. It tames my flyaways without using any product. At the end of its life, just send it back to them and they recycle it responsibly. To nourish my hair and for a shiny appearance, I use Marula Oil. It's a lightweight oil rich in essential fatty acids like oleic and linoleic acid, which deeply hydrates and nourishes the hair without weighing it down. It's filled with antioxidants to strengthen hair and reduce breakage. The oil also helps to tame frizz and flyaways, giving the hair a smoother appearance. Marula oil on the scalp helps against dandruff and irritation. I cut my own hair with these scissors from Morocco Method. It saves me time and money, and I can dispose of my hair in my own compost bin. I make my own hair ties from old t-shirts and pantyhose. They don't tug or break my hair, and I'm upcycling materials.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. It's a very simple hair care routine that I follow, and it's great for my low maintenance lifestyle. I linked some of the products I used in this video down below, but I would love to know, what is your no-fuss sustainable hair care routine? Like and follow for more videos on how to be kinder to the planet and support my natural beauty line. All products are fair trade and organic. See you soon!